Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Pournima. Today I am here to represent my project. My project name is Inventex, which is Sales and Inventory Analysis. This is my advanced Excel dashboard, which is designed to monitor sales, profit, and inventories. The main purpose of my dashboard is to provide a manager two things. First, a big picture view and actionable insights for decision making on our business performance. So this dashboard is mainly divided into three parts. First is KPI section, which provides the growth of our business. Second is all about sales, which provides monthly trends, categories, and regions. And at right hand side, I have provided what is our stock health and top profitable products. So let's start with our first key performance indicator. Here we have shown the total sales, and we have crossed about 1 million of our sales by having 3.3 lakhs of our profit by selling 7,000 plus products, and our average profit margin is about 30%. So this overall gives us the growth, what is our sales and profit, the business profitable strength, that is our 30%, and the business activities. Coming to our next part, that is middle portion about sales and profit trends. I have shown here monthly, where we can identify which is the peak period and which is the weak period. Here we can see the February has the highest sale, similarly having its highest profit. Coming to categories portion, here electronics is the top booming category, means which is dominating category, and here it helps a management to focus more on it. And in this sales by region chart, we have seen the highlighted area, that is region having a most increased sale, having a maximum sales, and side by side the south region is the lowest region having the lowest sale, which means the management needs to focus on it more, having upgrading some marketing skills. Coming to my right hand side, there are stock status, where we can see each product is monitored by against its recorded level, where my green tick had show that the stock is enough, means healthy status, and the red cross has represent that the stock is needed, urgently attention should be there, and the yellow marks show the warning. And this helps to identify us that we totally have the 4 products now which is in low stock, that is laptop Z, sofa E, dress K, and shoe L. And at the last, here is the profit monitor, where we can see a top profitable products, that is laptop Z and phone X, that contribute the most in profit, and this helps a management to more focus on that product. And this all my dashboard is not static, it's dynamic. We can more detail analyze it flexibly with the help of this slicer, that is region, categories, stores, and date. Here at the end, let's summarize the Inventex. It provides you the sales and profit monitor. Secondly, it gives you the information which product sales is more and which product sales is larger, means the category wise as well as the region wise. And the last, we can see that there are 4 products which are in very low stock at a red line, which needs to be restocked as urgently as possible. And last but not the least is the laptop Z, which is most of the profitable product, having gaining a most of the profit, but it is also at the range where we should restock it as urgently. So this is the main point we have to take into consideration. And here all my dashboard, Inventex provides a manager to monitor sales and identify the trends, and also to solve the issues of inventory. And this helps for a decision making for becoming faster, smarter, and data driven. Thank you.